Hi, this is Ashlyn with WTI. If you are looking for a convenient light to have in your home, this tripod work light by Grip is the perfect tool for you. My husband and I just love this light because of how convenient it is. He works on his cars a lot, so this is the perfect tool to shed light into his engine, and it's just so convenient for him to grab and have ease of working. We love the hook on the top. You can hang it from the hood when he's working on the engine, or I think about bringing it camping, hanging it as like a lantern. It also is a tripod, so if you need to set it on something to light something up, it stands up tall and perfect. Just enough light for whatever you're working on. We also love that it is rechargeable and LED, so we have that convenience, not having to worry about batteries, and it's just there ready for us to go. This light, it can be used for so many different things. I feel like there are endless possibilities of what you can use this light for, whether it be cars, camping, just around the house. I use it when I have to take my dog out to go to the potty at night. So whatever you need it for, this is great. So if you're thinking about buying this, I definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.